Hello everyone, this is going to be a video on how to change the backup battery in an Optima XM burglar alarm control panel. Now this definitely applies to all Optima panels, but it may vary from panel to panel. But this is it's pretty much standard for most burglar alarm panels. Now this Optima is an older panel, but you know, most new panels and old panels it applies to. This is just a basic video. Most burglar alarms do have a backup battery. So first thing you want to do before you start changing the battery is put your alarm in engineer's mode. Now not all alarms have an engineer's mode, and if your alarm doesn't have an engineer's mode, what you need to do is take the cover off. So undo the screw. You might have two screws, one there and one there. I've only got one there, the other side is hinged. So you might need to undo your screws or screw and take the cover off, which will make the alarm go into tamper. So you need to put your code in as soon as possible to stop the alarm from sounding, so it's only sounding for as little time as possible. But this Optima does have an engineer's mode. So for me, it's a lot easier and I don't have to disturb anyone by setting the alarm off. So what you do to put your Optima in engineer's mode, or any other panel like this, is program and enter your code. The tamper light is lit up, which means tamper disabled, so this panel is now in engineer's mode. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this screwdriver, Phillips head. These screwdrivers were only from Poundland, a pack of 4, so something nice and cheap. And I'm just going to undo that screw in there. I've now undone the screw, so if I just pull a bit, the cover will come off. So there we go, there's the front cover. And this is the inside of the panel. So what wires you need, all these are your zone wires and all your alarm wires. They're your power wires and they're all alarm wires, so you just leave them alone. The wires you need are these two. The red one is positive and the black one is negative. These are just the wires for the backup battery. So all I'm going to do is attach the backup battery to them wires. And on this backup battery, black is negative and red is positive. So it's really simple, it's just red to red and black to black. So I'll just attach them now. They just clip on, the spade hooks, so all they do is clip on, really easy. Make sure they're on properly. And then put that battery back in the panel. Push it as far back as it'll go. Just tuck any wires away that are in the way. Then get your cover. So I'll just go and get my cover. And I will just put that I'll just put that. I need to find the hinges to locate the cover back on where it belongs, so I'll just take that screw out of the way. And then once your cover is hinged on, or if it's got no hinge, if it's just screws, make sure it's on properly. And at the moment I'm having a bit of trouble with mine, but should have it done. There we go. that just slots back on there. So the cover's now on, but if I remove my finger it'll just fall off because there's no screw. So I need to get the screw that I removed earlier and just push that in that hole and tighten that screw. Make sure that's nice and tight because we don't want the cover falling off, because that's what might happen if you've not made sure it's extra tight. So that's nice and tight now, and then all I do to take the alarm out of engineer's mode is press reset. The burglar alarm panel is now in normal status and is ready to be armed. So now this burglar alarm panel has a good backup battery. Whenever there's a power cut, the alarm will stay in normal condition instead of sounding an alarm when the power comes back on. So this is now a good working burglar alarm panel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.